Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Honda Pioneer 700 twin-seater side-by-side. This bike is in beautiful condition, only 111 hours on the hour meter, four-wheel drive, automatic transmission. It's got the roof, it's got the adjustable windscreen, it's got the dump bed. Come on by and make your Pioneer side-by-side dreams come true for just $10,999. This thing is in excellent shape, very lightly used. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. A lot of tread on those tires. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.